Salam alaikum. Welcome to OneID by World Federation. In this video, we'll show you how to reset your password if you have forgotten it, and how to change your password from within your account. If you are unable to log in, click the Forgot Password option on the login screen. You will be taken to the password recovery page. Enter your registered email address. Then click Send OTP. A 6-digit OTP will be sent to your email address. Open your email inbox, locate the code, and enter it in the field provided on the screen. Please make sure to enter the code correctly and within the valid time limit. If needed, you can request a new code by clicking Resend OTP. Once the OTP has been entered successfully, click Done to continue. You will then be taken to the Reset Password screen. Enter your new password. Re-enter the same password in the confirmation field. Then click Update Password. Your password has now been successfully reset. You can return to the login page and sign in using your new password. If you would like to change your password while already logged in, start by signing into your account. Once logged in, go to your profile section and select Change Password. A password change window will appear. Enter your current password first. Then enter your new password, and confirm it by typing it again in the confirmation field. Please make sure your new password meets the required security criteria. Once all fields are completed, click Submit. Your password will then be updated successfully. Keeping your password secure and up to date helps protect your account and personal information. Thank you for using OneID by World Federation.